Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use orange blossom water. Let's start with its delightful culinary applications. This fragrant water adds a delicate floral aroma to many desserts, enhancing pastries, custards, and fruit salads. For a subtle taste, incorporate 1 to 2 teaspoons into your recipes. It pairs wonderfully with ingredients like honey, nuts, and various citrus fruits, creating truly unique flavor profiles. Next, let's explore the fantastic skincare benefits of orange blossom water. It's known for its ability to soothe and refresh sensitive skin, making it a wonderful addition to your routine. Acting as a natural toner, it helps balance your skin's pH levels. Simply apply a small amount to a cotton pad for gentle facial cleansing, which can also help reduce redness and calm minor irritations effectively. Beyond the kitchen and skincare, orange blossom water offers lovely aromatic and home applications. It serves as a natural room freshener, instantly uplifting any space. You can add a few drops to a diffuser to create a wonderfully calming atmosphere. For a fresh scent, incorporate it into your homemade linen sprays. Additionally, a small amount added to your bathwater provides a truly relaxing and fragrant experience. Finally, let's discuss important tips for storing orange blossom water and ensuring its quality. Always store your bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. Keep the bottle tightly sealed to preserve its delicate aroma for longer. Look for high-quality versions, which typically have a clear appearance and a strong, authentic scent. For the best results, aim to use it within 6 months to 1 year after opening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.